back to my YouTube channel. Today I'm going to share with you my spring Walmart and TJ Maxx dress try-on haul. So if you are interested in checking out these really cute spring dresses, keep on watching. Okay, so we're going to jump right in to the first dress, which is the Time and True Walmart shirt dress. And this is one of my favorites because it is perfect for workwear for spring, and also just any of those casual days that you have, you know, doing homemaking or running errands or just having brunch. I love shirt dresses because they're so versatile. And what I love about this dress from Walmart is that it is actually 100% rayon, which means it is a semi-synthetic fiber. If you didn't know, rayon is actually made from wood pulp, so it's more natural than a polyester fiber, but it's not considered a completely natural fiber, but it is better than wearing polyester. I'm sure we all love a dress that is affordable and also good quality, and that's what I love about this dress from Walmart. It is $19.98, so it is super affordable, and they have 4 other different colors. They have a leopard print, they have a black and a green, I believe. So perfect for any occasion that you have for spring. I will say the green is more of a fall color in my opinion, but that is a color that you still like to wear in the springtime. By all means, do you, boo. If you want to just grab it now and save it for the fall season, you can do that as well. What I also love about this dress is that it comes in sizes extra small to XXL, so it has a full range of sizes, and that's also what's great about shirt dresses is that they are flattering for a number of different body types. So that is also a really cool thing about this style of dress. The color I got for the dress is a dark navy brush, and it has all the features. It has the collar and the cuffs, and it's also long sleeved, but of course you can roll it up and have like a cute little 3/4 sleeve going on as well. So this dress is very, very cute, very affordable, and perfect for spring. Perfect for your workwear wardrobe for spring as well. Okay, so let's jump into the next dress that we have from Walmart. I love, love, love this dress. It is super cute. It is so cute. Oh my gosh. I cannot wait till the weather gets warmer so I can actually wear it. But it is the free assembly striped knit dress. And yes, I did say knit. It is a lightweight knit, so it's not gonna have you overheated in the spring, because spring, as we know, can still be breezy. It is knit, and of course in the summertime it can get really, really hot, so maybe during the summer this can be worn in the evening time instead of in the middle of the day. It is super, super cute, very nautical, very kind of classic, preppy sort of vibe, but still feminine and fun as well. This dress has a mix of different materials. It's viscose primarily, so 85% viscose, and it has some polyester as well in it as well. It's stretchy, so you know, it has some give and some room. The dress that I got is in a small, so you can see that sizing for reference. I am 5'4", and I got a small, and so you can kind of use me to gauge what size that you would buy for yourself. What I love about this dress is that it's so easy to wear. You can just throw it on and you can style it with a cute handbag. You can style it with some flats or a really cute kitten heel or a low heel sandal. And you can also wear this maybe on a really cute day date during the spring and summer. So again, very versatile and very classic as well. So stripes are always a classic. Always a classic. Oh, I also want to mention that this dress is $28, and so a little more on the pricey side for Walmart, I guess you could say, but still very affordable, and it's super cute, so it's definitely worth the money. Okay, so the next couple of dresses I have are from TJ Maxx, The first dress I found is a pink Tahari dress, and it's very, very beautiful. It has this beautiful pleated detailing across the dress, and it has also this beautiful roped belt as well. Unfortunately, I don't have any links to this dress, but of course I wanted to include it anyway because it is great inspiration, and if I can find dresses that are very similar, I will link them down below for you. The color is what is so amazing about this dress. It is such a beautiful color, and I want to inspire you to also find dresses in beautiful colors as well. But this dress is perfect for the spring and the summer. And this dress was on the clearance rack. It was originally $39.99, but I got it for $32, which is a score. And I found it in my size, so it all worked out perfect. And I'm really excited to wear this dress for spring. The last dress I have is from DKNY. This dress, when you see it on the rack, it doesn't look like much, but I saw it and I knew that it had potential to be amazing, and it is amazing. I will be honest with you, I do need to make some alterations to the top of the dress in order to fit me a little bit better, but it's so cute. It's very classic. It has the stripes. It's made out of linen and cotton, which are two perfect materials, especially for the spring and summertime. They're breathable, and it also makes the dress look a little more expensive as well. But I just love, love, love this dress. And once I can get my fit down, I'm gonna be wearing this dress for spring and summer as one of my classic home dresses. Does anyone else wanna just like walk around their house wearing beautiful gowns and dresses? I do. What I also love about this dress is the beautiful wrap inspired detailing at the top. And then it has like a beautiful circle skirt. It was on sale for $15, so, and I didn't see any other dress in the store that looked like it. So, I mean, I could have walked around and looked a little bit more, but I'm pretty sure it was like the last of its kind in the store. So unfortunately, again, I cannot link it down below for you, but if I can find a dress that's really similar, I will link that down below. Okay, so that is the end of my mini spring fashion haul today. If you like this video, please make sure to give it a thumbs up and comment down below and let me know which dress is your favorite. I'm so excited to share more spring content with you guys, and I can't wait to see you next time. Bye.